Current Affairs January 2025. Which country legalized same-sex marriage in January 2025, becoming the first in Southeast Asia to do so? Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia. The correct answer is option B, Thailand. Which Southeast Asian country opened an embassy in Cuba for the first time in January 2025? South Korea, Japan, Thailand, Malaysia. The correct answer is option A, South Korea. Which Indian state became the first to link its forest ecosystem to green gross domestic product green GDP in January 2025? Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. Which Asian country experienced a 7.1 magnitude earthquake in its Tibet Autonomous Region in January 2025? Nepal, China, India, Bhutan. The correct answer is option B, China. On January 20, 2025, Donald Trump assumed office as the President of the United States. What was his presidential number? 45, 46, 47, 48. The correct answer is option C, 47. Which country became a full member of the BRICS group in January 2025? Indonesia, Argentina, Turkey, Nigeria. The correct answer is option A, Indonesia. In January 2025, which city was declared the cleanest in India as per the latest Swachh Bharat rankings? Surat, Indore, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh. The correct answer is option B, Indore. Which country topped the Henley Passport Index 2025 as the world's most powerful passport? Japan, South Korea, Germany, Singapore. The correct answer is option D, Singapore. Which Indian state became the first to implement the Uniform Civil Code on January 27, 2025? Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka. The correct answer is option A, Uttarakhand. Which country introduced a new tourism tax in January 2025, replacing its previous resort fee? Nepal, Bhutan, Russia, China. The correct answer is option C, Russia. Which Indian state inaugurated the 3-day International Kite and Sweet Festival at Parade Grounds in January 2025? Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option B, Telangana. In January 2025, an AI robot was appointed as the head of which department in a futuristic technology company? Marketing, research and development, human resources, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, research and development. Which country officially became a state party to the International Criminal Court in January 2025? Ukraine, Turkey, India, Brazil. The correct answer is option A, Ukraine. In January 2025, a ceasefire agreement was reached to suspend the war between Israel and which organization? Hezbollah, Al-Qaeda, Islamic Jihad, Hamas. The correct answer is option D, Hamas. Which organization signed two crucial loans with the Government of India to support infrastructure and sustainable growth in 2025? World Bank, Asian Development Bank, International Monetary Fund, New Development Bank. The correct answer is option B, Asian Development Bank. Which former US president passed away and was honored with a state funeral in January 2025? Jimmy Carter, Bill Clinton, George Bush, Barack Obama. The correct answer is option A, Jimmy Carter. In January 2025, which country experienced its most destructive wildfires in history, particularly affecting Los Angeles? Australia, Canada, United States, Brazil. The correct answer is option C, United States. Which Indian state is planning to privatize two of its power distribution companies to improve efficiency and reduce losses as of January 2025? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. The correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which Indian state inaugurated the Digital Governance Accelerator in January 2025 to promote AI-based governance solutions? Telangana, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala. The correct answer is option A, Telangana. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for the latest informative MCQs.